Hello guys, welcome to Learn All Online Educational Channel. My name is Sharifullah Shiam. You are an instructor for Statistics and Probability. Today we will discuss about Chapter 1, which is a brief introduction to statistics and probability. First, let's discuss the objective for today's session. Number 1, what is statistics? And here we will discuss about the definitions of the statistics. Then we will have introduction to main parts of statistics studies. We will discuss about inferential statistics and as well as descriptive statistics. And we will give you some examples that you can differentiate between descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. We will come to discuss that why you need to study statistics. Then we have the functions of statistics, and last but not the least, we have limitations of the statistic. What is statistics? Simply, statistics science of data collection, organization, summarization, and presentation analysis. Or simply we can say that statistic is a tool for creating new understanding from a set of data. Or we can say that statistic is a way to get information from data. First we have the data, and we have the statistic and the information. It means first we need to collect the data, and with the help of statistical tools and techniques, this unprocessed and the raw form of the data can be changed into information. Remember that decision makers, they need information, and the information will be in the form of number, and the numbers will come through statistics. And here we say that statistics or statistical data, it doesn't matter. So therefore the decision makers, they need information, and the information will be in the form of number, and the numbers which are derived from the statistical tools or statistical techniques. The term statistics refers to two different meanings. One, statistics is a field of study, and as well as statistics are a group of numerical data. Descriptive and inferential statistics. Basically, the discipline of statistics is divided into two main categories or two main parts. Number one, which is descriptive statistic, and number two, which is inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics consist of the collection, organization, summarization, and presentation of data. The following example shows the descriptive statistics. Number 1. Expenditures for cable industry were 5.66 billion in 1996. Number 2. The median household income for people aged between 25 and 38 is $35,888. Remember that in descriptive statistics, a statistician tries to describe a situation. Inferential statistics. Inferential statistics consist of number 1, generalizing from sample to population. How we can generalize whatever conclusions we get from sample to the population. In upcoming lessons, we will discuss that what is sample and what are populations, and basically we will discuss about key concepts and key terminologies in statistics. 2. Performing estimations and hypothesis tests. 3. Determining relationship among variables, and 4. Making predictions. So inferential statistics is all about generalizing from sample to population, performing estimations, and determining relationship among the variables whenever we are conducting research, and making forecast, and predictions. The following shows some of the examples of inferential statistics. For instance, allergy therapy makes bees go away. 2. A recent study showed that eating garlic can lower blood pressure. 3. Drinking decaffeinated coffee can raise cholesterol level by 7%. And 4. It's predicted that the average number of automobiles each household owns will increase. Why to study statistics? Why do we need to study statistics? The following are some reasons that we need to study statistics. Number 1, data are everywhere. So we need to collect, organize, summarize, analyze, and present, interpret, analysis data in any field of inquiry whenever we're conducting a study or whenever we're doing research. So as a result, we need to study statistics. 2, statistical techniques are used to make many decisions that affect our lives. And no matter what your career is, you will make professional decisions that involve data. So therefore, you need to study statistics as a professional and as well as a decision maker, and simply we can say as an appropriate and sound and effective decision maker in your daily life, and as well as your profession and in career. You need to study statistics and you need to be familiar with the techniques of the statistics. Functions of statistics. What functions can a statistic or will a statistic perform? Number 1, statistics assist in summarizing the largest of data in a form that's easily understandable. So whenever we have large number of data, whenever we have large set of data that we cannot get any idea from them, so statistics comes and make it simple and make it understandable and easy for us. Number 2, statistics assist in efficient design of laboratory and field experiment and as well as surveys. In upcoming chapters, we will more elaborate about that. Statistics is an essential tool and as well as it's a prerequisite for doing research. So whenever we are doing research, we have 3 types of study design. We have laboratory study design, we have field experiment, and as well as we have surveys. So in all of these categories of doing research, we need statistics as a designing tool. 3, statistics assist in a sound and effective planning in any field of inquiry. So, as I mentioned earlier, statistics will help you in order to make sound and reliable decisions in your life, and as well as it will help you and assist you that you make good plans for your career. 4, statistics assist in drawing general conclusions and making many predictions of how much of a thing will happen under given conditions. So statistics in here will help us that we can predict how much of a certain thing will happen under given conditions when we have the historical data. Now we will discuss about the limitation of statistics. Where statistic does not work. 1, a statistic does not deal with individual items. In a statistic, we need to have population or a sample from a population. Therefore, a statistic does not deal with individual items. 2, a statistical deals with quantitative data only. So it means whenever we are calculating, we are measuring, we are doing statistical tools, we are analyzing the data, or we need to have quantitative data. So what about qualitative data? We will discuss later on that how we can analyze qualitative data whenever we are doing statistical measurements. 3, a statistic may mislead to wrong conclusions in the absence of details. And 4. Statistical laws are true only on average. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share with your friends.